Hope you are having a good day. Let us see how market performed today. Before deep diving into market updates, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay updated with market updates. Come guys, let us check on market performance. Market updates. Today Sensex closed at 60,431.84, down by 250.86 points. Nifty closed at 17,770.90, down by 85.60. Today gold was traded at 56,718.00, down by 23 points. Silver traded at 66,490.00, down by 174 points. Today INR against US dollar was 82.55, down by 0.09 points. The chart below shows the movement of Sensex and Nifty in today's market. Now let us see top 5 gainers and losers in NSE. And the top 5 gainers are Titan, LT, NTPC, Bajaj Auto, Aisha Motors, and the top 5 losers are Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, SBI, Infosys, Apollo Hospital. Now we will see the stocks where there are only buyers and only sellers. The top 5 stocks where there are only buyers are Motor and General Finance, Zenith Steel Pipes, DK Wires, DBOC Industries, Williamson Major. The top 5 stocks where there are only sellers are TV Today Network, IDFC, Balkrishna Industry, Rossel India, Imami Paper. Now we will see stocks which are most active in terms of value and volume. Top 5 most active stocks in terms of value are Adani Enterprises, Reliance, Adani Ports, SBI, ICICI Bank. Top 5 most active stocks in terms of volume are Tata Steel, Adani Ports, SBI, Adani Enterprises, ITC. Now we are going to see corporate actions on some of the stocks. Check your stocks if there and do the needful. Given list are all stock that are providing dividends, buyback, etc. Look out carefully for the record date and ex date and act accordingly. So far we have seen today's market performance. Next we will focus on some of the hot news in the stock market. Before that, if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe my videos to your friends and relatives and be updated with market information. And more important, don't forget to press the bell button. On doing so, you will receive notifications instantly when we publish the video. Any suggestion, comments, feedback are highly appreciated. Adani Group stocks sink further after cut in revenue target. Moody's downgrade. All India stock hits 8-month high on highest ever quarterly profit. Motilal Oswal sees 22% upside. Thermax share price rises 3% on bagging rupees 251.7 crore project. ABB India shares surge as net profit jumps 58% year-on-year. BEML rises nearly 5% on 378 rupees crore order win. Glenmark Pharma jumps 5% post-December quarter earnings. India recoups 5th place in world stocks as Adani claws back. Renault, Nissan to invest $600 million in India. Make 6 new models. Forex reserves fall to $575.27 billion. Snap 3-week rise, already sold out for the year in India, says Lamborghini top executive. Sales of commercial vehicles to grow 9 to 11% in FY24. Report. Tata Steel to merge 7 subsidiaries by FY24, says CEO TV Narendran. Adani needs to maintain 140% collateral, says SBI as 3 group firms pledge additional shares. Mahindra looks to double production capacity after XUV 700 and Scorpio and bookings exceed expectations. Info Edge shares tank 10% on dismal third quarter numbers. Brokerages slash target price. Adani Group stocks in focus. Adani Ports. Ambuja Cements out of ASM framework. Moody's cuts outlook on 4 firms. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited draws a 50% downside from brokerages despite rise in Q3 profit. RVNL stock down 3% as poor DEC quarter upsets investors. Voltas shares are beat as Nomura retains buy call. Sees 27% upside despite Q3 loss. Gold prices today. Precious metals to remain under Pressure as US Fed may stay hawkish. MSCI revision. CG Power. Bank of Baroda look bullish on charts. Avoid Biocon. Vodafone Idea Q3 preview. Detridan Telco may report wider loss. Thanks for watching the video. We will see you with more market updates tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.